At times, we forget how underrated certain hardware and software features are on Galaxy flagship devices, even as far as thinking and saying they're not as good as they should be. Now, at times it can be true, but after our previous video on the core features to be excited for on the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, it got us considering how efficient and fast the 25-watt super fast charging is on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. With that in mind, we decided to compare the Galaxy S21 Ultra against the Google Pixel 6 and the iPhone 13 Pro in a battery charging test. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on our YouTube channel with SamMobile TV. Here is our charging test between the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Pixel 6 Pro, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now let's break down the battery and the charging specs of all three devices, starting with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's packing a 5000 mAh battery and supports Samsung's 25-watt super fast charging over USB-C. Next is the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and it's packing a rated 5003 mAh battery and it supports 30-watt fast charging via USB-C. Last is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's rated to pack a 4352 mAh battery and support for 20-watt fast charging over Apple's Lightning port. With all the specs out of the way, let's jump into the main charging test. Now, starting off with the main charging test, all three devices are in aeroplane mode and are charging for 1%. You do have the Galaxy S21 Ultra on the left, the Pixel 6 Pro in the middle, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max on the right with the stopwatch. And now we are pretty much going to test it at each 15-minute interval and see where they are in their percentage. And pretty much heading over to the first interval, we will see in all of the devices where they are in terms of their percentage. And first with the Pixel 6 Pro at 24%, the Galaxy S21 Ultra at 31%, and the iPhone at 23%. Putting it all together, we are moving over to the 30-minute mark. And at the 30-minute mark, we'll see in terms of the efficiency and the speed, how they match up between the three. And you will realize this is where the 25-watt charging from the Samsung really comes into its own. At the 30-minute mark, it's at 59%, the Pixel is at 46%, and the iPhone is at 46%. Very similar behavior between the Pixel and the iPhone. Next mark will be at the 45-minute interval. And at the 45-minute interval, you will see again, the gap will widen, really showing the efficiency and the speed of the Samsung. And at the 45-minute mark, Samsung's at 83%, Google's at 65%, and 68% on the iPhone. Now to the 1 hour mark, and this one is the most important. At the 1 hour mark, we will see that things are really cemented, and we see that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is at 93%, the Pixel is at 78%, and the iPhone is actually slightly ahead at 82% compared to the Pixel. And then, of course, to finish first, it's none other than the Galaxy S21 Ultra at the 1 hour, 7-minute mark and 30 seconds to 100%. Very efficient for 25-watt charging, compared to 84% and 85% respectively on the iPhone and the Pixel. Next, we will go to the 1 hour, 15-minute mark, and at the 1 hour and 15-minute mark between both the last two devices. The Pixel 6 Pro is at 88% and the iPhone 13 Pro Max is at 88%. Again, very similar behavior with their trickle charging at this point. Next is the 1 hour and 30-minute mark, and at the 1 hour and 30-minute mark, where will we sit between these two? You see that with their behaviors being the same, the Pixel 6 Pro is at 93% and 94% for the iPhone. Next is the 1 hour and 45-minute mark, and we're closing the gap now near to the end. And with the Pixel 6 Pro at the 1 hour and 45-minute mark, it is at 96%. The iPhone is actually at 98%, which does indicate that the first to finish between these two will actually be the iPhone, and that will be at the 1 hour and 53-minute mark and 30 seconds. And the iPhone 13 Pro Max is at 100%, leaving the Pixel 6 Pro last and the least, going to full charge in actually over 2 hours in this particular run, at the 2 hour 5 minute mark and 10 seconds. Concluding this charging test clearly shows that a higher rated wattage does not always directly mean you will get the fastest and also the most efficient charging speeds. For the fact that it takes slightly over 1 hour to charge a 5000 mAh battery with 25 watt charging shows that Samsung have caught the right balance between speed and also preserving the battery health, compared to Google and Apple, who are very aggressive with their trickle charging past the 1 hour mark especially, and can leave much to be desired if you want faster charging speeds, especially at this premium flagship price point. Of course, having a charger in the box would always be nice, but considering how fast and efficient the speeds are on the 25 watt charger when charging a 5000 mAh battery in the Galaxy S21 Ultra, we can't help but feel excited potentially to see how 45 watts work on the upcoming S22 Ultra if the rumors and leaks are to be true. How much do you value fast charging and charging on your phone? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for all the latest videos on SamMobile with SamMobile TV on YouTube, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.